Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert Venn diagram in PowerPoint. So simple and basic way to insert Venn diagram. Click on this insert tab and click on smart art, then relations. Here select this Venn diagram, basic Venn diagram, then click on OK. Now guys, here you can add more once you press enter. Also you can remove by pressing backspace. Here you can insert your text. You can change style and color. Here are some more styles. You can add shape. You can add bullet. So this is the basic video guys to learn how to insert and how to create Venn diagram in PowerPoint. If you not see this pen, so click on this text pen. So this setting will appear here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.